Hello and welcome to CTM. My name is Solomon and today I will be your product expert. Today we're going to take a look at the Coral Avo Top Flush Toilet Suite. Now, having a look at this particular toilet suite, it features a stunning Avo color, which goes well with a variety of different types of colors, of course, that you might have in your home. Now, if you actually listen to this, made of ceramic to boast, of course, of durability and strength as well. Now, this particular toilet also features generous seating space and a durable toilet seat. It has a 10-year warranty and is SABS approved. Now, this particular toilet also has a dual flush here at the top, featuring a 3 and a 6 liter, which makes sure, of course, as well, that you do get that water saving each and every month on your water bill. So, if you feel like this is the perfect toilet for your home, click that add to cart button and get this Avo toilet delivered straight to your door.